Okay, so today we're gonna do my experiment box, which has all of these stuff. So like paint, volcanics, because we can do this like colorful lollipop, swimming fish, volcanic eruption, colorful water. So we are gonna do one every day. So today we're gonna do the volcanic eruption. So let's open it. Ooh. Okay, here are the instructions how to do everything. Okay, we need So how do you do the volcanic? So we need the two bags, this and this. And then we need the volcanic thingy, which is made out of plastic apparently. And then we need, we can do it any color. What color should we do it? I think we should do it red. Should we do it red? Yeah, blue is for water. Whoa, there we go. Red. Okay, so we need this and some water. Can someone get some water? Here's some water. So we're gonna have some water. So I'm gonna pour in the baking soda, and then after I'm gonna pour
citric acid.
Citric acid.
Yeah, citric.
One. Here you go.
Okay.
You would like to pour it in, I think?
With the same amount though, there's not amount.
Let's put a bit more. Can I pour it in? No.
Alright.
What else? And then after?
Stir well with a stick and wear goggles. Oh, you don't have goggles.
I'm sorry, but this is an experiment that we haven't done, so we don't have goggles. Next time we need to have goggles.
And after that, just drop water into the fire pass. And drop water slowly in the bubble.
Put some food coloring. And then more water. Whoa. This is what you call a volcano. Look at it. This is cool, man. Oh no, save yourselves. The volcano. I'm running in another country. Wow. Look at it. Look at it. It's amazing. I'm going to put it in right now.
The thing that make bubble is because there's citric acid and also with
baking soda.
Baking soda that react each other, the chemical, and then the water it makes them react.
Little spoons. Okay. Put the little spoon.
Together.
This is what you call a bubble volcano. Wow. There's lava coming out. Oh no, save the city. You need to save it. Ah! See you on the next experiment. Bye. Bye. I seriously think we should do this again.